welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm filming a little catch up, you could have guessed. I am going to open the July and June IPSY Glam Bag. I have not opened these. I moved, I had them in a suitcase, and now I'm unboxing everything. So enjoy. First I'm gonna start with June, July. Okay, first I'll start with June. It has this, it's like a, is this nylon? Like a nylon type little bag with a little kissy charm. And it has the evil eye protecting us. I love that. Let's see what's inside. So for June, the theme was make bold moves, which I absolutely did over summer. So this is bring on the bright hues, dopamine boosting glam. This month is about chasing joy and expressing it through every look. I love that. I do have like a pink eye look on today, so I feel like this is feeding into that. And you know what? I should have done, wait a second. No, it's for another day. Ah! Okay, so first in this bag is the Ultra Repair Body Lotion. Little travel mini. I did just open the IPSY Advent Calendar and there was one of these little guys in there, spoiler alert. So if you want to check that video out, check it out right here. Super cute for traveling, throw them in your bag, whatever, love that. Then we have a Luna Magic little brush. Ooh, I feel like this would be really good for concealer. I actually really love getting new brushes in these IPSY Glam Bags, especially like filming look after look. You know, I don't have time to wash brushes in between, and I do love the Luna Magic brushes. So that one, well, in the collection. Next is the Golden Faded Radiant Whip Brightening Treatment Mask, a little mini travel mask. In these IPSY Glam Bags, most of the stuff is like minis. Then we have, this is full size though, right as I said that. This is the Oh My Eyebrows pencil. I can't really read it. Can I open it?
Oh my gosh, with the packaging. I literally cannot get this open. It has this super tight cellophane wrap on it. Oh my god, why do you guys package things so tightly? I'm not even bothering opening it.
We have the Quick Slick. Ooh, this is like a little hair wand for these flyaways, which I need right now. So I'm gonna open this up. It smells really good. Let's give this a little brushy brush. Now the true test will be, does this remain soft or is it gonna get like hard like a gel? We'll know by the end of this video. And that is what was in the June IPSY Glam Bag. Next we have the July IPSY Glam Bag. This one's more like a leathery type, a little tie-dye moment. A little more durable than the nylon. And the theme for June is Hot Glow Summer. July is your invite with the latest evolutions in beauty. Dewy skin that outshines any filter, futuristic self-care, kaleidoscope pops of color. Well, that sounds super fun. Let's see what's inside. So first we have the Briogeo Curl Charisma. I do like this brand. I have a rice shampoo from them that I use, so I'll check this one out. And then we have the Cheeked Up Liquid Blush in Coral Cap. Interesting. I do like coral blushes, so let's try that one. The Gods Body Serum. I got a Dew of the Gods face product in a previous Icon box and I absolutely love it. So this brand is like winning points for me left and right. And the fact that they have a trial size body glaze, yes, I'm excited about that one. Then we have Shades by Sand Gel Eyeliner in Green Tea. This beautiful, super dark, like dark matcha green tea color with gold flecks in it. This is actually really beautiful. I'm 100% gonna use this. Love that. Right, and there you go. Then lastly in this glam bag is the Nicole Miller All My Love perfume. I've seen this on their site a lot, so I've been wanting to try it. The packaging is like really cheap. So I don't love cheap packaging, but let's see if the smell makes up for it. Ow, it just got in my eyes. Oh. It smells really good. It smells like a hair product that I've used. It opens with like a pear note and then finishes with this, I want to say crunchy. It's not crunchy. It finishes with this like really clean, crisp smell. I'm actually going to put this on. It smells exactly like some type of Amika product, which smells amazing. So love that. And the little hair wand dried completely soft and completely flat. Ooh, that is a good one. Anyways, that is what was in my June and July IPSY Glam Bags. Please leave me a comment. It would mean the world to me. Subscribe if you like these videos, and thank you so much for watching.